Hi there, so it's the morning of the day after liquid soap making, and I just want to show you this beautiful diluted, well, partially diluted liquid soap that we made yesterday. Isn't that just lovely to see? Beautiful and clear. You see that? It's almost like honey. You can see the bubbles that just by turning this around. I just wanted to show you how delicious and unctuous, it's a good word, isn't it? Unctuous, that is. If I hold that up to the camera, hopefully you'll just be able to get a good close-up. And that's now ready for a multitude of uses and for making just about everything that you could possibly think of that you would ever use soap for. Those recipes are all included with the kit, so you can also go online, go to Google and Google uses for Castile soap or uses for liquid soap, and it will come up with lots and lots and lots of other simple recipes and ideas.